Hello and welcome to this tutorial about optimizing your game in Unity. My name is Imani Rajdoost and I will be guiding you through this tutorial. I have developed games on mobile devices and PCs, and I have worked in video game and software companies, and I have worked with independent gaming groups as well. In this series of tutorials, you will learn how to analyze and optimize your games on Unity. You will learn about optimizing your code, as well as some tips and tricks and how to implement some methods to improve the performance of your game in general. We will even take a look at some of the more advanced stuff, such as multi-threading in Unity. You can watch the videos in any order that you like, but pay attention to watch all of them in order to be able to do the class project. Because the class project that I created for you includes all of the tips and tricks that I teach you in this tutorial. The things we're going to talk about in this tutorial are simple, however a basic understanding of Unity and C# is recommended. At the end of this tutorial, you will learn all the things that you need for optimizing your games. So if that's something that interests you, I'll see you in the next video.